Hi there everyone. Today I would like to give you a tour of the TagoIO Learning Center. The Learning Center is where you can learn everything related to IoT and the TagoIO platform. From the basics like how an IoT device sends data, to TagoIO, to the more complex items like how to manipulate and display that same data in your dashboard. The Learning Center contains over 30 lessons and more than 24 hours of content, which is available in multiple languages. And the best part, all the training modules are free. All you have to do is have an account. The lessons are carefully organized into modules where each module focuses on a specific main topic. This in turn makes learning IoT and how to use TagoIO much more streamlined and natural. These modules are divided into two tracks, Fundamentals and Developer. The Fundamentals track, which is the 100 series, is focused more on basic functionalities and core concepts, like how device data arrives at TagoIO. Whereas the Developer track, or the 200 series, has a more code-focused objective that helps you create your own application from scratch. There's also a quiz after each module that you can take to check and see how you're doing, and you can retake these modules as many times as you like. After you've gotten hands-on with TagoIO and completed the modules, you can attempt the Fundamentals and Developer track certificates, which will gauge how you understand the core concepts of TagoIO and your ability to develop your own application. These certificates serves as compelling evidence of your understanding in various topics associated with IoT and makes it easy to showcase your skills to employers or industry professionals. I highly suggest you sign up for our Learning Center today. Thank you.